Biology is the subject which carries 50% of the total marks in NEET examination. And in order to get a good score overall, you have to score well in biology. And it is generally said, and it is true also, that for getting a good score overall, you should have at least 340 in bio itself. So in this video I am going to talk about my approach जिससे कि मेरे marks 356 आए out of 360 in biology in NEET 2024. So hello everyone, I am Aman Tiwari and I am a first year MBBS student in a government medical college. So let's see. So here are the things that I followed during my preparation for NEET for biology especially. So the first point which you can see, I have written never ignore bio. Now, what does that mean? You might think, why would someone ignore bio as it is the main subject, it carries 50% of the marks. But here it is it is very common. People usually think that we would do it later क्योंकि biology relatively easy है. They think like this, and physics and chemistry थोड़े conceptual and थोड़े hard है, so we would finish it first and then we would focus on biology. But let me tell you, this is wrong approach. Never ever try to do it like this. ये ultimately marks को reduce ही करता है. Always give equal priority to all the three subjects, then only you are going to score well in your examination. Now coming to the second point, that I did was not focusing only on memorization or only NCERT. Now what does that mean? So you probably would have heard about this, that people say कि NCERT is enough for NEET, do only NCERT and nothing else is required. Yeah, that is right to a certain extent, but I don't agree to it completely, because what I think is, first your concept should be very clear, be it physics, chemistry or biology. So what I used to do was first watching the lectures of my teachers, and then making sure that my concepts are very clear, and then read NCERT after my concepts are clear. Yeah, so this is what you have to do. And then coming to the third point itself is related to the second point, that never avoid NCERT. Now although you have to make your concepts clear, but once your concepts are clear, then focus only on NCERT, because that is the main book for either of the three subjects. So read it again and again after your concepts are clear. Now the next question is solving many questions. Now in biology what people do now, कि उन्होंने लेक्चर्स देख लिया, कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्लियर, देन उन्होंने एनसीईआरटी पढ़ ली 2-3 बार, बट दे डोंट सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस इन बायोलॉजी. दे थिंक कि yeah, now we remember everything and now we can score well in the test. But this does not work like that. Questions help you to retain your concepts. जैसे कि I used to solve topic wise questions as well as chapter wise questions. So make sure you do it. Like once you are done with a certain topic on a particular day, then go and solve the questions based on that topic. And after few chapters are completed, then chapter wise questions attempt करने हैं. इससे क्या होता है कि concepts जो होते हैं ना, वो बेटर वे में रिटेन रहते हैं. ये रिटेंशन हेल्प करेगा कॉन्सेप्ट्स के. So yeah, and then the next point is revising regularly. Now the revision is something that is must for all the three subjects, so it is also important for biology. Now biology is a subject in which you have to remember many dates, you have to remember many examples, scientist name, many theories. So yeah, ऐसा लगता है कि we are forgetting bio, like we have studied it and then after 3-4 days we tend to forget the dates, scientist name and many more things. So make sure that you have a revision plan जिससे कि follow करते हो तुम, and you revise according to that. And कुछ chapters होते हैं जैसे कि animal kingdom हो गया, plant kingdom हो गया, morphology and anatomy also. There are various examples which you can't remember if you are not studying it daily. So make sure that you are revising it regularly, and for these chapters you have to be like making an appropriate revision plan. You can also revise the examples daily. Yeah. And then the next point, and this point has become very important in the recent years, like studying diagrams or tables in NCERT. Like I studied all the diagrams and all the tables given in NCERT. As much I focused on the text, and the same I focused on diagrams and tables also. And in the NEET 2024 itself, I think there were 5 to 6 questions based on diagrams only. Yeah, so it is very important. Now the last point, and this helped me a lot, let me say, मेकिंग फ्लैश कार्ड्स और स्टिकी नोट्स फॉर लर्निंग एग्जाम्पल्स। जैसे कि स्टिकी नोट्स होते हैं, उस पर जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं यू हैव रिटन दैट एंड देन यू हैव स्टिक इट ऑन द वॉल एंड देन यू आर रीडिंग इट डेली। एक या दो बार डेली देख लिया, तो इससे क्या होता है कि वो याद रह जाता है कहीं ना कहीं मेमोरी में। सो या इट हेल्प्स इन मेमोराइजिंग दोज which you can easily forget after studying the textbook. So yeah, make sure you make this and like यहाँ पे if I could show you some examples, जैसे कि ये मैंने बनाए हुए थे। so ये तो पहले के during my first attempt, so these are not in syllabus now, but this you can see like इस तरह से बना सकते हैं। this is for chemistry and this you can see एंड उसी तरह से डाइकॉट मोनोकॉट का कॉन्समिनेशन होता है एंड टेट्रामेरस पेंटामेरस। एंड यहाँ पे जैसे प्लांट किंगडम का यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट योर ट्रिक्स हियर टू लर्न द एग्जाम्पल्स। लाइक मैंने कुछ इसी तरह खुद से ही बनाए रखे हैं। एंड ये फिर न्यूरल सिस्टम का हो गया कि किस में उसका डिवीजन होता है। सो या दिस इज़ द वे यू कैन मेक इट, बट या मेक श्योर यू डू इट बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू लॉट एंड इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन स्कोरिंग like 356 out of 360. So yeah, this was all. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you.